With this year's budget, we're investing in the health and wellbeing of every Victorian. The pandemic put unprecedented pressure on health systems all over the world. When we came to government, we took our ambulance response times from the worst to the best. We did this by working with our healthcare workers with a clear plan to get it done. Now, just like before, we'll ease the pressure on our hospitals and healthcare workers. We're putting patients first with our pandemic repair plan for more staff, better hospitals and first-class care. And we're recruiting thousands of nurses with a huge package to train, upskill and support healthcare workers to give them the extra pair of hands they need. When you call for help in an emergency, minutes and seconds can make all the difference, which is why we're recruiting more paramedics and making a record investment in our 000 call takers and dispatchers to boost our 000 capacity so that when Victorians need help, it's there. And we're building new and upgrading existing hospital emergency departments across the state. And by delivering 40,000 additional surgeries next year, we're cutting waiting times so Victorians can catch up on the treatment they missed during the pandemic. When it comes to reaching out for help, we know that too often Victorians don't know where to start. That's why we're implementing every single recommendation from Australia's only Royal Commission into mental health. This budget builds on what we've already delivered. We're delivering more mental health beds in our hospitals to take pressure off our emergency departments, recruiting more mental health workers and specialists, the ones we need to deliver tailored support, and more local health services so you can get the care you need close to family and community. We're giving every child the very best start in life and putting more teachers into better classrooms. This budget builds another 13 schools across our state, bringing the total number of new schools to 75 since 2019. We're delivering upgrades to more schools and special schools. And with this budget, we will have upgraded every single special school in our state since coming to government. Because students with special needs are entitled to exactly the same opportunities as every other Victorian student. This budget invests in the projects we need and the Victorian workers who will help deliver them. Today, unemployment in our state is at an all-time low. Our economy is strong, and that's no accident. Our record investments in roads, transport and infrastructure mean that our state has remained strong during the pandemic, and they'll continue to deliver the jobs we need into the future. Our Big Build program will change the way Victorians move around the state, and together, our infrastructure investments have helped create thousands of jobs for Victorians. We've removed 59 level crossings and our plan to get rid of 85 of them by 2025 will help Victorians get home sooner and safer so we can all spend more time with the people we love. And we're building the trains we need right here in Victoria. Free TAFE is giving Victorians the skills they need for the job they want. And our transformation of VCE and VCAL will give students better pathways into training, study and a secure career. We know that Victorians are paying too much for their energy bills. That's why we're stepping in to help families get a better deal. We're giving a once-off $250 payment to every family that uses the Victorian Energy Compare website. It'll help you search for the cheapest electricity plan and puts money in your pocket. We're also introducing Australia's first sick pay guarantee and ensuring that no one has to choose between their health and putting food on the table. It'll give casual and insecure workers access to 5 days of sick pay and carers pay when they need it most. Good jobs, better schools, a mental health system that works, and putting patients first. These are the things that really matter for every family and every community. We are building a stronger, fairer future and we are getting on with it.